So I'm the photographer in my family who owns some of these fancy cameras, right? And what ends up happening is that I take everyone's picture, and when I want my own pictures, people either don't know how to use these or they get scared or nervous. So this video is for any noob out there who doesn't want to look like a fool when he's handed these over in a party. So let's go. Number one, when your cousin or friend hands over his camera to you, don't touch anything. Don't touch the dials. Don't try to move anything around. These settings are set. We will set it in the right exposure, the right shutter speed, everything, and give it to you. So please, please, please don't touch anything. Secondly, most important thing is to understand where the shutter button is, right? Now every camera might have a little different, but you need to understand what that button is. So ask, hey, what do I click on to take the picture? Next up is you need to ask, what kind of shot are you looking for? Instead of taking guesses, trying something that doesn't work, just ask, do you want a close up? You want a full body shot? You want something artsy or fancy for Instagram? It's important to rely on your friend or the photographer to tell you where to take the shot. They should be telling you where the good lighting is, where the good background is. Now, these aren't super heavy, but they're not light as your iPhone 2. So make sure you put your phone down, aren't distracted. And the most important thing is to keep it very steady. Put the viewfinder close to your face. Always keep this hand under the camera and this one right there to take the picture. Now, when taking a shot in most cameras, it's important to remember that when you hit this button, it does like a little quick focus and then takes a shot. So what really sucks is you've been this nice friend who took the picture, but it's blurry and it's ruined, right? Take half a second just for the camera graph focus and then take the picture. Whew, great, you've actually been able to manage to take a picture. That's a great start. You haven't freaked out, you didn't throw up, you didn't drop the phone or the camera, sorry. Take a quick second, subscribe to the channel, it goes a long way if you enjoy the content, and let's continue. Too often what I've seen is I'm handed this camera over to somebody, right? And because it's all digital now, they just keep clicking, clicking, clicking. But how do you even know if the shot turned out nice? So what's important is take a shot or two, look at the image of the shot, show it to your friend, right? Ask them, hey man, is this what you're looking for? Does this work? And if you're great, good. Another big mistake I see from noobs is framing. Again, you're not trying to be fancy. If you got 3 people in the shot, try to center the 3 people in the frame. Don't get too much of the ceiling or too much of the right side or the left side or the bottom. Just keep it very simple. Finally, what happens with most of you guys, okay, not all of you, I'm not judging, I'm just saying, you take a shot, you turn around, you're like, wow, man, what an amazing picture this is. And then you immediately give a backhanded comment. What a great camera, man, that you get such good shots. Does anyone ever ask a chef, look, you have such a great kitchen, an oven, and a freaking pan. That's where your food tastes good. No, it's the art of the chef. So similarly, for us photographers and videographers, man, we've put the right setting in terms of shutter speed, the ISO, the f-stop. We've scouted the scene. We've chose the right lens to give you, and hence the picture is nice. So while you've done a good job if you framed it correctly and taken a good focus shot, that's very good. I thank you for that. Just don't take all the credit, that's what I'm saying. Anyways, that's about it. Super easy tips. Just try not to drop the camera, give it back, you've done your thing, and now you're not a noob. If you are interested in exploring photography a bit more, I actually have a video that I made on my tips on how to take better pictures with your iPhone. I'm gonna link it up here, definitely check that out. That's it. Comment down below, let me know if you enjoyed this content so I can keep making it. This is E signing out. Peace.